That ends though. When was it? The 11th or the 13th? Or 13th, and I'm with Pete, and we've ran Fridge Door Cave, so I think it's going to be better.
You can start there and come across here and take it up your way. Turn that down.
Yeah. So when did you find this?
When?
Yes.
What, 5 years ago?
Might have been
6
longer.
years.
6 years.
But Pedro found it first, but it was sumped up.
Ah.
The original way in the bottom
Yes.
of the ladder.
And who was with you on that trip?
Ali, yeah.
Yep.
Me and Ali went through and we climbed up here on the way out to try and avoid the duck.
Aha.
And I got through the squeeze,
Yes.
but Ali had to come back and go through the duck. Great fun.
Yes. So we had to go through the water. You had to go the dry way because your skill would be slightly smaller.
Slightly smaller. Yeah.
Right. Well, I don't know if it's sumped all the way down that dry passage because you found out, was it 100 metres or more?
Yeah.
Going to
80
the
meters, I think.
yeah, going to the left, and it goes back to the right, doesn't it? To where I've climbed down during the summer after you told us about it. Unfortunately, we've had to hilty cap it because, unlike Pete, Colin, when he came down, and myself, we don't fit because we're slightly fatter.
And I've dug it out again.
And he's dug it out again because I still won't fit after capping it, which is embarrassing. Yes, yes. Right. Let's have a look. Ooh, looks promising. You haven't got the ladder. Very good idea. Let's see if it's sumped.
I won't be following you.
Well, it is a bit chilly. Ooh. I can't remember which way it was.
That way.
Is that way?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That sounds more promising.
It should end up when you walk it and meet there.
Right, I'll swim along here and then I'll put back for the diving kit. It might actually be easier than wading through the mud. Swim right now. Yay.